triple or outdoors. As you can see, we are camping this weekend, and we're going to go out tomorrow morning for some salmon in a little stream that we found several years ago. So word on the street is they are running, and they should be there. We're not 100% sure. Didn't have time this evening to check it out before we set up camp and everything. So I'm solo right now. Kevin had to work, so my wife and him are coming up here in about an hour. So that's what we got for you. Should be good content. It's a beautiful stream. It's crystal clear, so even if we don't catch fish, it'll be nice to see. So that's the plan. We may get a little bit of small game hunting in, rabbit, squirrels maybe this weekend. We're not 100% sure what we're doing, but either way, it should be good. So as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the morning.
Good morning. It's starting to get that time of year where it's cold. I don't like it, but it happens. So this is our little salmon spot here. So we're gonna see if there's water in it, if there's salmon in it, stuff like that, because this really varies. And as you can see, it's pretty low. Huh. Alright, so as you guys saw, that first spot over near the road did not look great. Great. So we're gonna walk down to the actual part of the stream. Someone else just pulled up, so I don't know what that's about. So we're gonna go see what this part looks like. I mean, it looks a little bit better over here. It's still pretty low. Dad, if we had the 22s, I had a shot right there. Red squirrel was just sitting on that branch eating. You see the branch that's laying on that down tree right there? Yeah. It was sitting on there. Alright. Here's another spot that we see every time we come up to our salmon spot. Haven't actually fished it before, but we've seen people fishing in here and stuff like that. And it connects to Michigan as well, so. No. Alright, so obviously salmon and trout fishing in the streams did not work this morning. So we debated and drove over to this spot, which we have been before, so hopefully we can get some smallmouth or perch and stuff like that out of this spot. So we are going to see what happens. I grabbed a really small hook. Yeah, I don't even know how many we have. I just saw one. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Okay. He's not bad. It's pretty dark.
Smallmouth.
Smallmouth.
Little smallmouth there.
First actual fish of the day, if you don't want to count gobies.
Little smallmouth guy.
Did you just catch the same fish?
Yeah.
Did you really?
Pretty sure.
Like, I'm pretty sure that's the exact same fish. Well.
You just can't tell. Is that decent?
No.
Decent goby?
Ooh. 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 Yeah. My first, like, actual fish of the day. Well, rock bass guy. Did you forget to put one back on and now you say you're onto something? Or... Okay. You made it that far without a weight? Rock bass number 2. For sure. See how hard he's fighting? Or is it a smallmouth? Rock bass, yes sir. Ooh! Ooh, Dad. My second fish. A somewhat decent rock bass. I just want my hands to go numb so that they do not hurt. So weightless, huh?
Have I got it in yet?
No, but you've hooked 3 decent fish. Ooh. That's a decent smallie. Look at that. You want me to try and lip him?
That was fun.
Nice smallie.
Yeah. 14, 15 inches maybe.
He's pretty chunky.
Alright, so what we're doing, we caught some rock bass this morning, and we decided to keep 4 of them and do a little catch and cook. We haven't done a catch and cook for quite a while. So we got them filleted up. Got our fish here, and we're going to do it one of my favorite ways to cook fish. We're simply going to put it over the fire, and we're going to just put some butter, onions, let those cook down a little bit with some Creole seasoning. And then we're just going to saute the shrimp, or the, excuse me, not shrimp, the rock bass in it. So my favorite way to cook fish. It's pretty delicious. So he's never had it this way, so we're going to try it out and see what he thinks. So we will see you once we get cooking.
Alright, so the butter that we put in the pan was ready. So we just put the onions in, let those saute for a little bit. Put some Zatarain's Creole seasoning on there, and then put the fish in and put some more Creole seasoning on it, and that's about all you do.
We're going to give those another minute. Alright. We're going to take our beautiful rock bass fillets.
Set those right on top and then let them cook. Put some more Creole seasoning on there. Very simple, but I'm sure it will be very delicious.
There we go. Alright. We are going to try this. He's never tried it. I've done other fish this way. I'm assuming rock bass will be good. We like rock bass, so for adults, frosty beverage. You got to cook the fish just till it starts getting flaky, just like this.
That rock bass is really good. Like, really good.
Yeah. Super flaky. Obviously it doesn't taste like crab meat, but it's very flaky like blue crab if you've ever had that. But piece with onion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I would do this time and time again. It's freaking delicious. So, alright. Thanks for watching. We're not sure if we're going to make a video tomorrow or not. Honestly, we don't know if we're going to go hunting or fishing, what we're doing. So either way, hope you enjoy it. If you did, hit the like button. That'd be awesome. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tell your friends, family, whatever. We're trying to make a little go at this, so we're having a blast making these videos. And well, I'd like to tell you more, but you know what? I just want to get to eating. So thanks for watching.
Also, don't forget we have swag now. So if you want one of those, contact us.
Through Facebook.
Message us on Facebook through our Facebook page at Triple Or Outdoors. So thanks for watching.
Have a good one.
I want to catch a fish.